Is it possible to earn between $5,000 to $6,000 monthly with minimum effort, where you have to dedicate very little time for script or video editing? Is it possible? Watch this channel. Since April 14, 2020, channel's Words of Wisdom has generated 97 million views. Assuming all views were monetized from day 1 with an average RPM of $3, this channel has generated $289,000 over around 4 years. That's an average of $75,000 per year. However, depending on the topic, YouTube channels can have a RPM ranging from 50 cents to $20. So this channel could have made anywhere between $48,000 and $1,932,000, or an average of between $12,000 and $374,000 per year. Let's check one of their videos.
I have been trying for many years, and I have tried many things, but nothing seems to work. Please give me some guidance.
Alright, it's really simple editing. This guy is weaving his narrative using his own voice, accompanied by AI-generated images. And when it comes to video editing, think bare minimum, just a sprinkle of effects on those AI-generated images. No fancy movements or animations, it's all about letting the story and the visuals sync effortlessly. So to start first we need a script. You can find plenty of stories of Gautama Buddha by searching on Google. Alternatively, you can also find stories on Pinterest. Then, you can rewrite them in your own words. Or, you can use ChatGPT to rewrite them. That's the best idea. If you don't want to do that, you can use ChatGPT to create a story for your video. I will use this prompt. Here I have written, write me a story of Gautama Buddha, from which I will make an animated video for YouTube. I have written a brief outline of the type of story I want in 2-3 lines. Also, I have mentioned that I will create the entire video using AI-generated images. So, I need image prompts for each scene. I will add this prompt in the description of my video. You can use it as you like. Now, ChatGPT will write a story for you with image prompts. If you take a story from Google, paste the entire story here, and tell ChatGPT to write prompts for each scene. ChatGPT will provide image prompts scene by scene. Then, you can copy the entire story somewhere else. So our story selection is done. Now, we need voiceover. Before we start this step, let's watch another video of theirs.
Where some people were washing their buffaloes. Because of all the movement, the water was muddy, and it was not possible to see through it. The master asked the man.
See, their voice has given their video another level. They have used their own voice for this video. That's why I suggest using your own voice. While tutorial material can be fine with AI-generated voice, for this type of video, human voice is perfect. If you think your voice is not good enough, you can hire a voiceover artist from Upwork or Fiverr for minimum cost. However, if that's not possible, you can use websites like 11 Labs to generate your voice. Using this voice may reduce your video engagement a bit, but you can still monetize it on YouTube. I generated the voice for our story from here. Now we need AI images. We will use Leonardo AI for generating images. Here, you can get 150 credits free every day, which will easily provide you with all the necessary images for a video. After logging in, click on the image generation option. Now, from here, we can generate our images. Select how many images you need for each scene or prompt from the left side. I am selecting 4. Now select the image dimensions. Then, use the prompts one by one from ChatGPT in this box. For example, I placed the first prompt here. Then I clicked on Generate. Leonardo AI will take a few moments to generate the image. After a while, we will get 4 images for our first scene. Download the one you like. If you don't like any, then change the prompt a bit and generate the image again. Use this process to generate images for each prompt from here. Now, video editing. For video editing, we will use CapCut. CapCut is a completely free software. It has separate versions for both mobile and laptop. You can download the software from their website and use it. Now import everything into CapCut. After that, add the voice to the timeline. Change the ratio to 16:9. Then, align the images one by one with the voiceover and add them. Scale and adjust all the images to fit with the frame. Do it for every single image. Now listen the voiceover. Adjust the length of the images with your audio. After doing that, we can add some animation. Go to Animation. Then select Combo. Here you will get lots of options. Just select the image first. Then select the animation. It will automatically work on the image. Do it for all of your images. Now you can add some effect over your video. So go to Effect. Then select one effect. Drag it over the images. Now stretch it through the last of your video. From Properties you can control the effect. Just increase or decrease all the options and see which one works better for you.
Wisdom that transcended time. Let us embark on a journey through one of his enlightening tales. One day, a man approached the Buddha with a bouquet of flowers, intending to offer them as a token of respect. Upon seeing the flowers, Buddha simply uttered,
Now captions or subtitles. For caption, select text. Now from auto caption, select the language, then create. Within a minute your subtitle will be ready. Now we can play with the subtitles. Select templates. From this list you can choose any template. I am choosing this one. Now from basic you can select color of the font, size of the font, or you can change the font. That's it. Now export the video.
In the serene landscapes of ancient India, Gautama Buddha, a profound teacher, imparted wisdom that transcended time. Let us embark on a journey through one of his enlightening tales. One day, a man approached the Buddha with a bouquet of flowers, intending to offer them as a token of respect. Upon seeing the flowers, Buddha simply uttered, "Drop it." Perplexed, the man hesitated but eventually obeyed, letting the flowers fall from his grasp. Sensing the man's confusion, Buddha clarified, "I meant to drop the idea of self, not the flowers. Real change comes from letting go of our old identities." The man's confusion lifted as he comprehended the deeper meaning behind Buddha's words. Reflecting on his own attachments and identities, the man realized the necessity of shedding.
If you give a few more hours for editing, I think you can generate better videos than this one. So, you can check a few more channels like this and then start working on this.